Multiple teams work in your PIM. Marketers, content managers, buyers, partners. Each one should only see their own data and perform their own tasks. How do you set this up without chaos? Roles and access management in MarketProvider. When creating a role, you choose the type. First, PIM plus Public Catalog. The user gets access to the content management system and the public catalog. Second, Public Catalog only. Perfect for external users, distributors, buyers, partners. They see the catalog, but never enter PIM. The system comes with preset roles, admins with full access, content manager for content work, inspector for review, manager, supervisor, product expert, and others. Each role defines which actions are available: creating products, editing, deleting, import, export, channel management, DAM access. You can use default roles as they are, or create a custom one. Take a default role as a base, add or remove specific permissions. For example, a content manager can edit product cards but cannot delete them, can change the status from in progress to ready but cannot send to archive. The most powerful feature? Access control at the attribute group level. Inside a role, you open the Group Management tab. For each group, you choose one of 3 levels: full access, view and edit, view only, can see but cannot change, no access. The group is completely hidden. Examples: a marketer sees SEO and descriptions but cannot see pricing. A designer works with media content but cannot see factory data. A buyer sees basic specs and logistics but does not touch marketplace content. Users are created in the Users section. Enter a nickname, name, email, assign a role and interface language. You can add a comment about the user. Only roles with account management access can see it: the owner or administrator. One more level of control: access at the company level. If your account has multiple catalogs, you assign the user access only to the ones they need. The rest, they simply do not see. You can deactivate a user if you need to temporarily restrict access. The full login history is saved: IP address, date, time of last authorization. Roles and access management let you precisely control who sees what and who can do what. Internal team, external partners, distributors. Everyone works within their own perimeter. Visit our Help Center or reach out to your account manager.